Hey friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Chris Awoke, and in today's video I want to show you how to restore your .bak file when it's not showing in your downloads or any other directory in your folder. So what really happened for me was a friend sent me a data set in .bak file. So I downloaded it into my downloads folder and discovered that when I tried restoring it in my SQL Server, it wasn't showing. And I think a lot of persons may be facing the same problem. So I want to help you fix that in today's video. So normally, when you have a .bak file and you want to restore it in your SQL Server, the way it's usually done is you right click. That's after you've launched your SQL Server. You right click on the databases and you see this option, right? Restore database. Click on it. It comes up this way. So first you need to check on this radio button, these devices, then click on these three dots. Now this brings up this backup devices dialog box. Then you have to click on add. So I discovered that when I clicked on add, normally the BAK files are to show here, but mine wasn't showing. However, if you go to my downloads, you'll find the data. So this is the database project marketing analytics.bak. So I couldn't find it. I had to go to YouTube. I searched for several videos and none was really helping me out. So I spent like 1 or 2 days trying to figure this out. Immediately I figured it out, I thought to share it in a video. What I actually did was I'll go back now and close up this one, close up this. I'll bring up my query editor again. So the first thing I want you to know is that the SSMS, that's the SQL Server Management Studio, does not look into your downloads or your desktop by default. So rather what it does is that it has a default backup directory, that is a folder, a backup folder, usually hidden inside your program files. I'm going to walk you through how to discover that and how to access it, right? So when you get into the backup directory, you now need to move the .bak file which you downloaded wherever you have it, move it into that backup directory. Only then will you be able to restore it as a database. Is that okay? So I have a code I've written which I'm going to leave in the description for you to use. Basically what it does for you, as you would see, is that it shows you the path to where you can find the backup folder or the backup directory if you can't find it yourself. So I will execute this and here we go. You see the master folder here. I'm going to copy this part because I want to see the part in full. So I'll just paste it somewhere here. Okay, so this is it. We have the local drive or the C directory. Then inside the C directory, we'll be able to locate the program files. And inside the program files, we can find the Microsoft SQL Server folder, and inside of which you can find the SQL Express and then the Microsoft SQL Server. And then within this data part, that is where we will find a backup file. And I'm going to show to you what I just said now. All right, so let's quickly do that. So I'm going to bring up my file explorer. Then I'll go to local disk. And inside the local disk, we are told we should open the program files. So here we need to look out for Microsoft SQL Server. So here is it, Microsoft SQL Server. And inside of it, we can find the SQL Express. I'm going to click on the SQL Express and inside the Microsoft SQL. So you can see the backup folder and that of data, the one we saw here. See data and the backup folder is inside the same directory. So what we now need to do is to open this folder. But before then, maybe I just want to open a tab, copy this, and then go to open the backup directory now and paste it here. Right? So now that I have this project marketing analytics.bak file inside the backup directory. I can go back to my SQL Server and follow the same process I've explained before, but this time we'll have a success. All right. So I'm going to right click on databases, restore database, check on devices, click on these three dots, click on add. Voila. So can you see now we have the project marketing analytics.bak file right here with us. So we can now restore this as a database. So I'll just click on it so that it will be highlighted in the file name here. Then click on OK. Then click on OK again. Just click on OK. And you can see database, portfolio, project, marketing analytics restored successfully. Right? So I'll click on OK. And there you go. So I can now, if you want to refresh, you refresh, but there's no need for that. Just click on this plus icon. Then you see the database that we've restored here. So you can see it. Okay. So just to confirm further, we can click on this plus icon to, get to the tables. So I'll click on that of tables and I'll right click on any of them. So let me say customer reviews, or let's say customer journey. So right click, select top 100, top 1000 rows. And so you see, so this is the data set that we have. You can scroll. I think it's about 1000 rows. So you can see it here. It's 1000 rows. So that's how you can restore a .bak file when you have it in other folder outside of the backup directory. I hope this video helps you. If you like this video, please kindly subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you can get the subsequent videos as we post them. All right. Also, like this video and share it with those who may have this challenge as well. See you in our next video. Thank you so much.